Hello, my dear students. I am Anamika, your bio teacher, and again I am here with the video of chapter 6, that is conservation of biodiversity. In the previous video, you have read about the Project Tiger. So that means what is Project Tiger, when this project has been launched, and which authority that started this project. That means everything about the Project Tiger. So let's recall. Project Tiger, that is a wildlife conservation project which was mainly launched in 1973 by the government authorities. That is called NTCA, that means National Tiger Conservation Authority. And what is the aim? To protect the tigers in our country. So that's why this project has been launched. As we know that the tiger, that is one of the endangered species, that means their number is gradually decreasing day by day. So means a special project has been launched. So let's see, student, that what is the, you can say that what is the objective of this project. That is mainly meant to identify the limiting factors and to mitigate them using the suitable management. It survives to maintain a viable tiger population in the natural environment. The damages done to the habitat were to be rectified so as to facilitate the recovery of the ecosystem to the maximum possible extent. So let's see, students, that what is tiger reserves. Okay, so our next topic is tiger reserve. So first, that means one question come in your mind, that what is tiger reserve. So let's see. Actually, the tiger reserves are the area which is specifically notified by the government. Why? To protect the tiger and a wide range of its prey, because the prey is also important for their survival in situ. In situ, that means inside their natural habitats. And these tiger reserves are governed by the Project Tiger. Student, let's know some more about the tiger reserves. So actually, when this project has been started, initially only 9 tiger reserves were covered under the Project Tiger. But today this number has increased up to 50. And these 50 tiger reserves are mainly located in the 17 states of our country. On the recommendation of the NTCA, that is the student, the National Tiger Conservation Authority. The state governments has the power to notify a region as a tiger reserves. It means when the NTSA, that means give the recommendation to the state governments, it can notify any region to as a tiger reserves. Do you know, students, that there are 50 tiger reserves which is present in India? Only they are, that means spreading across the 17 states, and these states are called the states of tiger reserves, and which is home to nearly 70%. That means 70% of the whole population of the tiger in the world. So you can imagine, that means how the more number of tiger in our country. But this number is not very less when we compare these numbers, that means before the starting of the project. But actually that the more number of the tigers were killed by the various peoples. So gradually, by that means these efforts, their number is increasing. Next, student, that tiger reserve, that is demarcated by the 2 zones. So what are the 2 zones? Core zone and buffer zone. Already a study about the different zones of the biosphere reserve. So in core zone, that means they are only for the existing of the wild animals in their natural habitats. But in buffer zone, what happens, the very, that means few animals, they exist with the some people, those who are living around near the village. That means in a buffer zone, animals are coexisting with the villages. Now, student, might be one question come in your mind, that which is the first tiger reserves of India? Okay, and the answer is Corbett Tiger Reserve, which is in Jim Corbett National Park. Actually, the Jim Corbett National Park, that is also the first national park of our country. And do you know that the healthy population of the tigers are present here? Around 208 tigers are present. and variety of flora and fauna that is also found in Corbett National Park. It is also known as, that means, paradise of tigers. Actually, that means a very healthy population of the tigers are found in the Corbett Tiger Reserves, and the some fauna which is that means unique. One more thing, student, that it is present in Uttarakhand. And our next question is that which is the largest tiger reserves of India? Do you know the answer? And the answer is, student, Nagarjun Sagar Sri Salem Tiger Reserves, and it is situated in 5 districts, and the area is approx 3728 square kilometer. So you can imagine, students, that how the larger area it has. So that's why it is the largest tiger reserves, and it has variety of flora and fauna also, and important places also which attract the tourists. So that's why, that means, people go and visit that place. The next question is that which is the smallest tiger reserves in our country? As you know, student, that we already read about the first tiger reserves of our country, largest tiger reserve. So we should know about the smallest also. So the smallest tiger reserve is situated in Bor Wildlife Sanctuary, which is in Wardha district, and which is present in the state that is called Maharashtra. So now you can see this peak. This is the peak of the Katrina tigris, which is found in Bor Tiger Reserve. One more question, that after doing all these efforts, are the tigers safe? And what is the answer? The answer will be clear from the pic. Okay, that means because of the greed of the people, that means peoples are killing the tigers for the various purposes, for their skin also, their teeth, their bones. So that means the greed of the people never end. So that's why they are not safe nowadays. That means we have to take extra effort for saving the tiger. So when we save the tiger, we can save the nation, we can save wildlife. So that means all the rules and regulation that has been made, that should be strictly follow, so that we can save the tigers. Okay, thank you, students. So whatever the topic that I have discussed in this video, that should be clear to all of you. In our next video, we will read about the red data book. Thank you.